Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a payment method with the OpenTable app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your new credit card or debit card with the OpenTable app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first, what we're going to do is hop onto the OpenTable app. Next, click on the profile name on the upper right hand corner. Then click on account settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on payment methods. Once you click on payment methods, click on add payment method. And then this is where you can enter your credit card information. So your name, card number, month, CVV, and zip code. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect the payment method with the OpenTable app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next